Hey, stay in your vehicle. Hey,
oh, whoa. Bro, this man, this man tripping, bro. Oh, he picked the chopper back up and started bussing. Bro, that's crazy. That man bussing right now. That man just dumped the chopper. Then he stood up. Oh! Then stole the cop car.
802, I'm hitting the light.
Bro, this man tripping, bro. Ain't no way. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy MillyReacts, and I'm coming back at y'all with another reaction video. So I found this crazy video on YouTube called "Suspect Shoots Officer and Flees in Stolen Patrol Car." Y'all been showing me a lot of love recently, bro. Just keep going, keep hitting that subscribe button, keep commenting, keep sharing, keep doing everything, bro. We up next. We on the way up. But if you're new to the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Follow me on all my socials, and let's get straight into this video. Alright, so he's in the Honda from the looks of it. And this was in October 15th, 2023. So almost a year ago. Bro, why did he even go up that way? Why he
roll down your window?
He didn't even go on the driver's side. Oh, what? The traffic that way. Never mind. I wouldn't be over there either. Man, them cars are flying by, bro.
Hey, stay in your vehicle. Hey,
oh, whoa. Bro, this man, this man tripping, bro.
1199.
What is this? This man hopped out on the police and got blicked down, bro. Like, literally. You should have just did what the officer said, bro, at that point. If you didn't have a magnificent plan, bro, that was just dumb. He just got shot up for none.
Do not touch that gun!
Bro, that man is literally just over there screaming. I wonder what the people on the highway saying, bro. Just driving by, they probably like, what in the world?
802's got an AR, it's underneath him on the lane.
Bro, what's up with all these people hopping out on them with an AR15, bro?
802, I'm not hit. Not hit.
Bro, what?
Where is the suspect now in relation to you?
802, he's by the driver's door against this traffic.
Bro, is he getting up, bro?
Please, traffic is kind of heavy. Keep your hands where I can see him. Do not reach for that gun.
Traffic is heavy. Requesting brake. Requesting brake. Copy, bringing a brake from Flores now. 3602 is the suspect hit.
Suspect is hit.
3602, suspect is hit. Is he still moving?
802, firm. Stop moving!
Bro, what, like, come on, bro, like, what's next? Like, it said it, like, y'all know, oh my goodness, I skipped it too far, Y'all know I'm never gonna, let me just pause it. Y'all know I'm never finna sit here and let us watch no BS together, bro. Like, once I start to feel like I'm drifting off, I'm fast forwarding, bro. I don't care about none of that.
Stay on the ground!
Oh, he picked the chopper back up and started bussing. Bro, that's crazy. That man bussing right now. That man just dumped the chopper. Then he stood up. Oh! He going crazy. Bruh. Then stole the cop
802, I'm
car.
hitting the leg. 802, I'm hitting the leg.
Bro,
He's
this
taking off with
man
the patrol
tripping,
vehicle.
bro. Ain't no way. That's crazy. That man hopped out, got shot up, got up again, then shot the cop up, then stole the cop car. This is crazy. Now, bro, it's going on a high-speed chase. Bro, this is, bro, this is insane, bro. Where is this happening at, bro? Cause this is crazy. Bro, now this man done crashed into it. Oh my goodness. But he just, yeah. I think bro died. Not gonna lie to you. Wow. That's crazy. Dang, he flipped the 18-wheeler, bro. No. No. That's crazy, bro. Just caused so much damage, bro. I don't know why the audio went out, but it ain't on my end. I ain't muted. Bruh. Come on, bro. Where the audio at? Don't do me like this. All right, there you go. Oh, wow. He not even dead. He's alive after all that. That's crazy. Bro, put the Tommy Hilfiger, bro. That's, bruh. Then the car blew up. Like, that's crazy.
Everybody good? Yeah. You good? Yeah. Check equipment. Let's get a better search on him.
Like, bruh finna get life.
You have any weapons on you? Where's your weapon at? Where's your gloves at?
Bruh, it's bruh, what is he doing, bruh? What's that sound? Man, this is insane, bro. Buddy,
Put the ammunition in there going off?
Weapons safe, everybody?
Yep.
We're good, we're good.
I got my shotgun. Is this yours?
Did we go good on ours?
I'm gonna throw my card. I'll get
I tried to get out just a couple times.
hey, bro, they got that nigga, bro. That nigga tripping. Hey, I don't think nothing else is finna happen beyond this point. Let's see. Y'all know I never cared to skip through this shit. Hey, yeah, this shit done for. This shit cooked. I ain't even finna waste y'all time or my time reacting to any more of this shit. But from what we saw, it was crazy though. The rest of it is some shit. We not watching that. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Follow me on all my socials. The link to everything is in the description box below. And it's your boy MillyReacts, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.